They just found a chemical in rosemary that can increase the memory by 75%. So I mean that if you having whatever you're having a hard time remembering, it can increase the accuracy of your memory by 75%. That's a huge number, but it's also a lot of different herbs that can increase different aspects of the human body. You know what I mean? Here go a few. Circulatory strengtheners, hawthorn berry, motherwort, and also garlic. Garlic is a very powerful, herb, vegetable that increases the blood flow. Immune and vitality boosters, astragalus, reishi mushroom, and elderberry. A lot of people know about elderberry and reishi mushroom. Those are like very powerful. They call reishi mushroom the immortality fruit. Reminds you of the aspects that they have shown you in an anime called One Piece that they call devil fruits, which what they are referring to when they say devil fruits are really ancient mushrooms that have purposely been exterminated because they know how it activates the body. Energy, libido, and root chakra activation. That's ashwagandha, tongkat ali, and maca root. Maca root is used by a lot of, it's very popular now, but it's used by a lot of African cultures to help with libido and the sexual energy and keep your prostate from getting damaged from, the environment. Also, keep it healthy and keep the blood flow going through the prostate because the root chakra, all that area is the area of vitality and physical strength. For detox and cellular regeneration, you need to take you some dark root, a very deep blood cleanser, very abundant in iron. Thistle and chlorella. Chlorella binds to heavy metals inside of the bloodstream that you get from eating packaged food and inside of the air, inside the environment. And it also supports the functions of the mitochondria, so it gives you more energy. Mitochondria is the energy of life. Once the mitochondria start to run low on energy, that's when you start to run low on life. All these herbs that we like to call herbs are really just different configurations of solar codes that's being projected by Mother Earth that we call plant life. You know what I mean? So this plant life, this vegetable life has solar codes that also we have inside of our DNA because everything in the universe is composed of us, and everything in the universe, everything we are composed of is inside of the universe. So when you taking these solar light codes in different configurations called rosemary, that's one configuration, ashwagandha is another configuration, cilantro is another configuration, these solar light codes, you're replacing these minerals into your body that are reactivating certain genes inside of the body. That's why you can remember 75% of more information when you sniff rosemary or when you tea rosemary, which is why you can perceive more information when you ingest things like blue lotus and marijuana. It increases